Do you know every running engine has a heartbeat? And what is that heartbeat? It is the piston. The lightning pace in which the piston is running is really alarming. As you can see, the speed of this piston, that is how it runs in your engine, depending on the RPM of every engine. You are welcome to my channel where I dissect how engine works. Please pay attention to this video, because after this video you are going to pay special attention to your car, and you are going to know what is going on in your car, and you are going to know the heartbeat of every engine. Your piston at 3000 rpm, your piston moves up to 50 times up and down per seconds. That is how fast your piston is. But why the piston is moving up and down? At least it creates vacuum. As you can, when it go down like this, it creates vacuum for air to come in. Your piston compress the air that comes in, and your piston also help for scavenging to take place, to clean. That is why your piston is going up and down. And let me tell you why your piston, the first stroke of this piston, when your piston go down like this in this position, it is called intake stroke. When it goes down like this, it allows the air to fill the vacuum. When your piston goes down, air fills that vacuum. And when your piston comes up, what is happening? It compresses the air. And when your piston compresses the air, the next stroke that happens is that your spark plug or your injector is going to cause ignition, whether in gasoline engine or in diesel engine. And your piston will go down again. At that point, what forces your piston to go down? Combustion. When combustion forces your piston to go down again, because when ignition happens, there's a force that happens at that time, which is power. That power forces your piston to go down. When your piston is coming up again, it pushes out the exhaust gas out of your piston, and that is how piston work, and that is how engine work, and that's why you see your piston coming up and down. That is what we refer to as four-stroke engine. But in two-stroke engine, which I'm going to discuss in another video, I'll tell you how it works. But in this video, my focus is why your piston moves up and down. Your piston is a very vital point of your engine, and it must keep moving up and down. And as your piston is moving up and down, it has piston rings that ensure that it's compressing the compression, that prevent the compression from not going, but not escaping downwards. So this video should help you, for you to know why your piston is moving up and down and at what pace. But you should know that every engine has different pace. The RPM of your engine determines the speed of your piston. It could be 2.5, it could be 3000. Why some engine even run higher than that? But no matter the speed of your RPM, you should know that every engine has piston, and that engine piston moving at a very high pace. And your piston must keep moving up and down in every engine. So you have know why your piston move up and down, and you have know the sequence in which your piston move down. The first one, it goes down to create vacuum for air to fill it. It comes up to compress the air, and when it compresses the air, at that time, your carburetor, your injector inject fuel, then power occur, and when the power occur, it forces the piston to go down. When it forces to go down, that force bring the piston again with the with the help of your crankshaft, and when it comes up again, it pushes it out, the waste out. And that is why your piston keep working like that. In some engine, like in Detroit engine, you are going to see that your piston also serve as valve, because it closes and opens the air ports. Let's talk about that in another video. So this is why your piston move up and down, and it has been explained. Don't forget to like this video, share it to others, and keep following me. See you in another video, Mr.